Jazz Pharmaceuticals announced that it has entered into a definitive agreement to divest Sunosi, a dual-acting dopamine and norepinephrine reuptake inhibitor shown to improve wakefulness in adults living with excessive daytime sleepiness, EDS. The agreement will allow AXSM to receive the rights to Sunosi in all of the existing territories available to Jazz. AXSM will receive attractive financial terms including an upfront payment of $53 million, a high single-digit royalty on AXSM's U.S. net sales of Sunosi. It includes a mid-single-digit royalty on AXSM's U.S. net sales of Sunosi in future indications. AXSM, a pharmaceutical company, will be acquiring Sunosi, a medication used to treat mental health issues. This move will allow Jazz to focus on its strategic priorities, which include delivering sustainable growth and enhancing shareholder value. This acquisition will help AXSM to provide access to Sunosi to as many people as possible, and will maximize the value of Sunosi to Jazz through future growth.